This sorry. Period.
Somebody texted me about your.
Y'all, I guess it was good. It looked like it just get deep.
Deep. What that mean?
In it. You in Miami turning up another notch?
Yeah.
You gotta say it. This is ghetto, but it's like rich ghetto.
Go, shut
I don't see no win.
Go! I don't want to do that.
What's up, Cash Nation? We going to Miami.
Why my bad bitches I'm pretty than a motherfucker. Hoes me looking okay. Yeah, she fucking with me. Is this bitch okay?
So y'all, I missed my flight and I'm gonna tell y'all the story in a little. Well, I'm gonna tell y'all the story later. But I missed my flight at 5:05. Now I'm flying at 6:05, and I'm at the gate right now. But I popped a pimple ever since it left from work. Don't pop pimples, y'all. I'm gonna talk to y'all like in a minute. This is my airport fit. I got some Crocs on. Yeah, a lot of pink. I think they boarded the plane already. So yeah, I'm gonna explain to y'all later when I get to my next layover. I feel like I gotta show y'all this mirror. I mean, I feel like I gotta show y'all this. It's the sink. I don't know where my hands are going, but this is sink. This is soap. Okay, well, it's not coming out, but yeah, and then it's the dryer. Yeah, so the third flight today. I get there around like 4. We at the baggage claim, y'all. I'm on the phone shooting. Now I'm gonna get my bag and go outside. Hey y'all. This sorry. Period. And this our room. I'm finna show y'all the house after my camera charge, cause we just went through so much to get here. Get a quick run through of the house, cause we finna get food. Here go another room. We would've got this room, but the other one was cuter. We give more girls, so yeah, we gave that to the boys. This is the bathroom upstairs. Period. Here go another room. A silly room over there. Y'all can get a detailed tour later. This is the room. This silly. Say what up. Okay, he gonna close the door. I'll go outside later for y'all. It look like it's raining. And I just left my upstairs knowing it's raining outside. Yeah. Here go another bathroom. TT. Here go another room. TT. Here go another room. And it's like a back room, I guess. Game room. It's the bathroom over there. Washer and dryer. Yeah. I'm gonna go back upstairs to get my jacket though. This the kitchen. Another mirror. Outside. It's another room, y'all.
What's on the camera? I mean, not camera. What type of charger does that take? USB?
A USB-C. Yeah. And then this another room. Another mirror. Y'all could kind of see outside. It's like a chest thing right here. And then it's like a basketball court like over here. And then over there, it's like chairs and sand and stuff like that. And then we got a pool. And I think it's like kayaks and stuff that come with the house. This the bathroom that's in this room. see. Yeah. Oh yeah, y'all. In this Sheely room, he got a couch over here. This is view. Oh, y'all can see the chairs better. And then this is closet. And then it's the bathroom. Period. Yeah. Talk to y'all in a minute. We got chains. I got a 3-finger combo. Everybody got their food and
Somebody's texting me about your.
y'all, I guess it was good.
Y'all, I'm
Like,
sleepy.
I'm guessing.
Y'all see the plate? Y'all see the
I guess though. We back at the house and I'm gonna put on Sheila gave me his metaglasses, y'all. Look at, you can like see it got cameras on them. Y'all see that? Y'all see that? It's like right here. The glasses got, oh, it's vibrating. The glasses got cameras on them, so I'm gonna put my contacts on so I can put these on. Alright, y'all, I got my contacts on. Nobody really see me with my glasses on. This kind of weird. Like, I don't know. Y'all, the girl who did my hair, the lady who did my hair 8 down. Her name, I don't even know her name. I think she Amy. I don't know who's Amy, but I went to the Africans in Detroit. Fifi, braiding hair, a 7 Mile. I think that's what it's called. Something like that. Yeah, they 8 down. I'm gonna put these glasses on. I can hear. Oh my god. I can't even see. Cool. Oh, it's lights right here. Period.
That's that shit I'm talking about right there.
What?
Lizard.
Where?
That lizard. Oh! This water look kind of deep, right? It go that way to that
It look like it just get deep.
deep. What that mean?
In it. It look like it go like
what you
this.
call it? Y'all wanna go down there? Y'all, we can play chess.
It's like a little dip.
Y'all come on, let's
over
go.
there deeper.
I don't know how to play chess.
Me neither. I know how to. Or we can shoot them little things in that.
Cornhole.
Oh, they got big chess.
Oh, this is nice.
This is so cute. We in Miami turning up for nothing now.
This is nice as fuck. Y'all
The
can go
boat.
canoeing.
They got golf, y'all. Oh my god.
Y'all wanna play golf?
Where the stuff at? It's somewhere. We just gotta find it. Is this where everything at? Oh, it's a table. Ah, it's a spider. If we get some life vests.
Is it deep?
I'm a lifeguard though. I can swim.
I ain't drowning. You just said you don't like swimming.
I don't because I'm a fucking lifeguard.
LeBron James. LeBron James.
Fucking way.
Let me move out the way.
Oh, I don't think you want to pick it up either.
This sounds like it got wetter.
It's just running all that water.
How you even play this? It's chess.
Oh, it's kind of heavy.
You know what? Shoot out!
Hey!
They over here.
Oh, we finna play golf, y'all. Where the golf balls at?
Where the golf balls at?
It's in the thing.
Oh, this too small.
Right, this look.
Finna be,
Alright.
bro.
What is we gonna do with this?
Exactly what you just did. It ain't no nut. This is ghetto, but it's like rich ghetto. Golf.
Fuck with me. This is just it's a lot going on.
She over there hooping. We got these little ass, short ass golf club. No fucking way.
Damn. God damn.
Come on, twin. Gotta hit that bit in there. Oh,
Oh.
One more time. One more time.
Hey.
tight shit. Who turn?
Y'all go. Where y'all started from?
He started from like, where you started? It's like right here.
This is really crazy. Like we got a whole entertainment center in the backyard.
I can't eat. I can't eat.
This one?
Yes.
You got it, twin. Take your time. Damn.
I'm fucking done.
Wait, how many tries we get?
I'm finna turn the camera off.
So let's turn. You gotta shoot it without.
Hey. Bow bow. They low-key cheating though. This little wood chip.
How much could a woodchuck chop with a woodchuck?
How much? You ain't even started right. Say it again.
How much wood could a woodchuck chuck with woodchuck could chuck wood? Damn! You cheating. Damn! Hey!
She's talking that.
You know what? It's the wind. Y'all don't see that?
Go,
I don't see no wind.
Go!
I don't want to do that.
Look at you shaking like a bitch.
You know what you doing to make this fun, baby? Going, baby, fresh off a flight. When we on the night, you near.
5-star.
She confirmed that.
What?
Say that.
What happened to the 5-star?
That's your
You got it.
67.
You got it. You got it. Pocket it.
I don't got no pocket.
Put it in his pocket. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Go ahead, Black King. What? Y'all have a good day. Thank you. Period. We in Miami turning up another notch. You in Miami turning up another notch.
Yeah.
You gotta say it. We in Miami turning up. Don't.
I was speaking Spanish.
My fault.
Don't put that damn phone.
Right. Not here in Miami with me. Not here in Miami with me. Not here in Miami with me.
That water got on my slide.
Sheree, come here real quick.
Did you drop your phone in the water?
Can you sign those? You know how to do this, right? You click the little thing and you sign it. Yeah. Okay, cool. Cool. Appreciate you, fam. I'm gonna hit you up. I got you. I'm finna straighten it up. Appreciate you, fam.
Nah, it's all good, brother.
Oh, wait, is the door unlocked?
Yeah, they all unlocked. But throw all the stuff in the trunk.
I'm getting in the front.
I know. Go ahead and get in front.
Hurry up next to the house so I don't feel myself.
Okay.
Ain't no done. They're done in it.
Okay. It's in there to the right. But you for sure. Yeah, I heard.
Shake. You might have to open the door. My desk is there.
You can't press it?
I don't know who tricked this, but it fell out the car.
Keep blood. But mine, I can't get a good one either.
You match the inside, don't it?
Me?
Yeah.
Get a clear picture. I mean, video.
If he looking your way, then he is not my hoe. Fucked around and text my ex, oops, it was a typo. You always out to have fun. You know something just begun. They're sideways, but they don't know us. Don't need no Orleans, got my gang with me, yeah, we came to have a party. Always out to have fun. You know something just begun. Well, my bad, bitch. I'm pretty than a motherfucker. Hoes be looking okay. She thinking that she fucking with me. Is this bitch okay?